Hey everyone. Hi guys, I recently read an article about the importance of internet security. Have you guys heard about it?
Yes, I also heard about cyber attack, but how important is it for us to maintain internet security?
It's very important, Farah. Most of you often ignore this. For example, we often use the same password for multiple accounts.
That's right, Ranger. I once had my email account hacked because I set a weak password. Now I always use strong and unique password for an account.
I agree with Nico. In addition to strong password, we should also enable two-factor authentication with adds in extra layer of security to our account.
Besides that, we also have to be aware of phishing, many emails or messages for official, but their purpose is to steal our personal information.
So we have to be careful about internet security. Are there any other tips for maintaining internet security?
Make sure, make sure your devices are always updated with the latest security system. Also, use security applications like antivirus and firewall.
Don't forget not to download application of files from useless sources. This could be a gateway for malware to enter our device.
And when it comes to social media, be careful about information you share. Of first sharing can make it a share or make it easier for hacker to guess you password and security question.
Yes, we also have to be careful when using public Wi-Fi. This is VPN to protect our data when connection to an insecure network.
Thank you for the information and tips, everyone. I will start to taking my internet security more seriously.
You're welcome, Farah. Internet security is ancient our responsibility.
That's right. With this simple step, we can prevent many security incidents that might occur.
Absolutely, be being vigilant and taking preventive measures. We can secure our online presence.
Let's all be more vigilant and careful when using the internet. Our security is on our hands. Tet, 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 tet.
Hi everyone.
Tabulok si kawan tadi. Lagi boleh lah.
Guys, I currently read an article. Besides,
And in extra layer of security to our account.